I started with Diageo about 11 years ago now. We are responsible for supplying more than 260 different liquids. We have 63 people working across 4 different shifts, making sure that absolutely every single liquid is delivered to the right quality, on time, every time. Anytime I walk into duty free or walk into a bar, I'm so proud to see those products on that shelf representing Diageo. In the luxury products area, the team is responsible for the manufacture and packaging of some of Diageo's most luxurious and prestigious whiskies. Some are very old and very rare. The amount of time we take on each and every single bottle is very important to make sure that we have the most special product.